For making yummy crispy betel leaves fritters, I took 12 betel leaves. I have washed and cut it into heart shape. First, I'll prepare a batter in a mixing bowl. Add a full cup chickpea flour, 1/4 cup refined flour, 1/4 cup roasted rice flour. Then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon red chili powder, a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon onion seed, a teaspoon sugar, a teaspoon poppy seed, and last ingredient is oil. Add a teaspoon oil. Well combine and mix well. Then splash some water. I will add 3/4 cup water, but I will not add all the water at a time. Add little water and then give a good mix and then add the remaining water, because we need the batter of thick consistency. Mix well with a whisker in one direction. Our consistency of batter should be like that. Keep aside for 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, take the betel leaves and dip into the batter one by one. Coat the betel leaves with batter from the both sides. Now turn on the heat, put a pan, add appropriate amount oil. After oil is hot, add the betel leaves one by one. Over medium heat, fry the betel leaves until the bottom is set. Then turn the other side. Fry both sides until it golden brown. Check whether the other side is golden brown or not. If it is not golden brown, then don't turn. In the same way, fry the other betel leaves over medium to low heat. Our betel leaves fritters is done. Serve this with betel leaves tea. If you think my recipe is helpful, like, share and subscribe.